All right, out of fuel, but the ETX ran for about an hour. No, yeah, 45 minutes or an hour on that tank, so it's doing good. The new pump ram O-ring is moving good now too, and it's pumping water. It's gotten warm, but the radiator is also warm, so it's putting the heat out where it belongs. And the generator test with the ETX didn't run long, but it was like 7 volts at an amp, so that's running a little faster than the ET1 and making 7 watts. That's a pretty good showing. So now that we have the ETX back in order, I think we'll be able to go kind of concentrate on the kind of generator testing and seeing what else we can do with the generator box now that it's sort of working and the ETX had that maintenance done. But we'll get back on that in a little bit.